So hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Smart Pado. In this video, we will explore the most important questions of space and astronomy, perfect for all competitive exams. So let's begin. First question is, how often approximately is Halley's Comet visible from Earth? Correct answer is every 76 years. Halley's Comet is visible from Earth about every 75 to 76 years. It is the only known short period comet that is regularly visible to naked eye from the Earth. The last appearance was in 1986 and it will next appear around 2061. Second question is, which of the following launch vehicles was used for Project Apollo? Correct answer is B, Saturn V. The Saturn V rocket was used by NASA for the Apollo missions, including the famous Apollo 11 that landed humans on the moon in 1969. It remains one of the most powerful rockets ever built. Third question is, which of the following was the first artificial satellite? Correct answer is C, Sputnik 1. Sputnik 1 was launched by the Soviet Union on October 4, 1957. Marking the beginning of the space age. It orbited Earth for 3 months and shocked the world, leading to the US-Soviet space race. Fourth question is, which of the following was the first Venus exploration mission of the European Space Agency? The correct answer is C, Venus Express. Venus Express, launched in 2005, was ESA's first mission to study Venus. It studied the planet's atmosphere, clouds, and surface temperature until 2014, providing key insights to the greenhouse effects. Fifth question is, which of the following is India's first lunar probe launched by the Indian Space Organization? Correct answer is A, Chandrayaan 1. Chandrayaan 1, launched in 2008, was India's first lunar mission. It helped confirm the presence of water molecules on the moon and marked India's entry to deep space exploration. Sixth question is, which astronomer wrote the Aryabhatiya? Correct answer is B, Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta, one of India's greatest mathematician astronomers, wrote Aryabhatiya in 499th century. The text covers topics such as astronomy, planetary motion, and trigonometry, introducing the concept of zero. Seventh question is, which is the closest galaxy to Earth outside the Milky Way? Correct answer is A, Andromeda Galaxy. The Andromeda Galaxy is the nearest spiral galaxy to Milky Way and lies about 2.5 million light years away. It is on a collision course with our galaxy, expected to merge in about 4 billion years. Eighth question is, which of these planets has an atmosphere made up of hydrogen, helium, and methane? Correct answer is C, Uranus. Uranus and Neptune both have atmosphere primarily composed of hydrogen, helium, and methane. The methane gives Uranus its blue-green color. It also rotates on its side, unlike other planets. Ninth question is, which of the following phenomena cannot be observed on the surface of the moon? Correct answer is D, rainbow. The moon has no atmosphere and hence no water droplets or light scattering, so rainbows cannot be formed from there. Phenomena like sunrise or eclipse can be observed depending on moon's position. 10th question is, the planet nearest to the sun is? Correct answer is C, Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, orbiting it every 88 days. Due to its thin atmosphere, it experiences extreme temperature changes from scorching hot to freezing cold. 11th question is, an astronaut in outer space will observe the sky as? Correct answer is C, black. In the space, the sky appears black because there is no atmosphere to scatter sunlight. Astronauts can see stars even when sun is shining, unlike on the Earth where the sky looks blue due to Rayleigh scattering. 12th question is, the first person to enter into space was? Correct answer is B, Yuri Gagarin. Yuri Gagarin, a Soviet astronaut, became the first human in the space on April 12, 1961 aboard Vostok 1. He orbited the Earth once and safely returned. becoming a global hero of the space age. 13th question is, which of the following is not a gas planet? Correct answer is D, Mars. The gas giants are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Mars is a rocky planet with a solid surface and a thin carbon dioxide atmosphere, making it different from gas giants. 14th question is, which of the following is India's first satellite? Correct answer is A, Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta, launched on 19 April 1975 by the Soviet Union, was India's first satellite. It marked India's entry to space age, focusing on scientific research in X-ray, astronomy and solar physics. 15th question is, which of the following is India's first interplanetary mission? Correct answer is B, Mangalyaan. Mangalyaan, launched in 2013, made India the first Asian nation to reach Mars orbit and the first in the world to do so on its first attempt. It studied Mars surface and atmosphere and operated successfully for 8 years. 16th question is, where is the headquarters of Indian Space Research Organization located? Correct answer is B, Bengaluru. ISRO's headquarters is in Bengaluru, Karnataka. It was established in 1969 under the leadership of Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, often called the father of Indian space program. 17th question is, who is known as the father of Indian space program? Correct answer is C, Vikram Sarabhai. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai led the foundation of India's space program and established ISRO. His vision was to use space technology for communication, education and national development. 18th question is, which was India's first dedicated astronomy satellite? Correct answer is C, AstroSat. AstroSat, launched in 2015, is India's first multi-wavelength space observatory. It studies distant celestial bodies like stars, black holes and galaxies in UV, visible and X-ray wavelengths. 19th question is, what is the name of India's first solar observation mission? Correct answer is C, Aditya L1. Aditya L1, launched in 2023, is India's first solar mission. It studies the sun's coronal solar flares and solar wind from the Lagrange point L1, where the gravitational forces of Earth and Sun balance each other. Last question is, what is the name of India's third lunar mission launched in 2023? Correct answer is B, Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3, launched in July 2023, made the India first country to land near the moon's south pole. Its lander Vikram and rover Pragyan successfully conducted experiments and confirmed the presence of sulfur and other minerals on the lunar surface. So that's it for today's video. I hope you find this video very informative and very useful for the competitive exams. So we will meet in next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.